Hi YouTube, this is my Hoover Turbopower Plus TotalSystem U2602 that my really good friend Michael bought me, so thank you Michael. This is actually one of my dream machines. I've been after this particular model Turbopower for a while now, and it's actually my favourite Turbopower out of the whole entire Turbopower 1 lineup, so I'm really pleased that I got it. At the time, this would have been about mid-range. There was 3 models above this, and that was the Freedom with permabag, and it practically had all the bells and whistles that this had, except it had the permabag, but this uses paper bags, so apart from that they're the same. It's got headlight, air freshener, onboard tools, bag full indicator, and 2-speed motor. Now, as it's a turbo power, it's got a lot of crunches and cracks because of the construction, but they're still relatively well built in my opinion. I mean, it's lasted. Now it's in really good condition actually. There is a couple of scratches on it that I can find. There's one there through the turbo lettering, and there's a scuff there, but apart from that it's practically flawless. Now there is some damage around the back, but I'll get to that in a minute. I'll read you the lettering and stuff. So it says Hoover Turbopower Plus, brushed edge cleaning, and how to use the tools. The royal crest thing there, and it's still got the sales sticker. It says new Hoover cleaning with cleaning tools attached, increased suction power, 2-speed motor, large reusable bag, free 5-year parts guarantee, Turbopower Plus TotalSystem U2602, trademarks of Hoover Place. And then it's got air freshener, Hoover Turbopower TotalSystem. Am I right in thinking there should be a Hoover logo there? I don't know. Oh well. It's got all of its attachments. It's got the original wand and hose, and the crevice tool, dusting brush, and upholstery tool. Now if I show you round the back, you can see the damage. Now, because it's a total system and it's got the extra weight of the tools, the construction, well, the body isn't really designed to take the weight, so it has got cracks. There's a long crack there, and there's a diagonal one there, and if you look underneath, you'll see there's another crack just there near the handle release, but it doesn't affect the handle locking mechanism just yet. I just have to hope that it doesn't get any worse. And there's a crack there. Well, it's more than a crack. This whole piece here actually came off when I took the back door off. So what I did was I glued all these cracks with Gorilla Glue, and then put a steel plate on the inside, which you can't see the one down there because it's hidden under the plastic parts, but you can see the one inside the bag housing. There. It's just stuck on with some grip fill, so it should stay in one piece hopefully. What else? What am I saying it? I think that's about it to say on it really. So I guess I'll show it you in action. Oh, before I forget, it's still got its lower cord hook. I knew I forgot something. Okay, anyway, I'll put some shredded paper down and I'll show the performance. Oh, and by the way, this one dates from June 1991. So it was one of the first. So anyway, here we go. I'll start in the first speed and then I'll do the second speed. So here we go. It runs pretty good. No, I don't know if you could hear on camera, but it does have a lot of rattles and vibrations like a lot of the Turbopower's suffered with. But yeah, it runs really well. And I'm sorry for the bad lighting, by the way. That's why I've got my light up there. But yeah. Oh, and I'll show you its tools. You just take the hose off like that, and you take a tool that you want to use. You can get it on. There we go. And then you have to slide the height adjustment knob to the tool setting, so you have to tilt it back a bit and then slide it to the end there. And what that does, it slides a little plastic piece into the air path to the nozzle and stops the suction to the nozzle and diverts it to the hose. So anyway, I'll put some shredded paper down to show the hose. Now I think the suction through the hose is quite good actually. A lot of other people I talk to say it's crap, but it works alright for me. I mean, it's not enough. It gets the crumbs off the sofa and something. But anyway, here we go. I'll start it in low speed again and then go into high. That was the brush roll. So yeah, the tools are pretty good. It is a direct tear machine, so I mean, it's not going to give you a tremendous amount of suction, but it gives you enough, like I said, to pick up the crumbs. And you basically just set that back to whatever height you have it on. And anyway, yeah, that's it. So anyway, that's my Turbopower TotalSystem U2602. So thanks for watching.